Hi friends, welcome back. Now we will see different ways to create a PO. In last session we have seen like areas and different tabs in purchase order, and we have discussed in details about each and every field, what's the significance, what's the use of each and every field. Now in this lecture we will see how, like, what are the different ways to create a purchase order. Now we will use all these ways to create a purchase order, right? So first is a manual. So manual we have seen so many times, like we have created a PO by just using T code ME21N. Let me show you again on SAP screen. So simply we just use T code ME21N to create a PO, right? And here what we just do, we just mention all these details like supplier number, header. Okay, so all these details we just maintain, like org data, like purchase org, purchase group, company code, that all maintained here. Let me mention in notes also, all notes access you guys will have. Okay, so you can easily download that notes and you can use that. So these are some like data, mandatory data, like supplier, purchase org, purchase group, company code. Okay, let me paste it here. Right, and in item overview we just mention all these details like material number, quantity, net price, and plant. So these are some mandatory data that we have to mention, right? And all other data is just copied from material master record or vendor master record that we have seen. Okay, let me just, like, this is a mandatory data like supplier, this purchase org, purchase group, company code, material, net price, quantity, everything, right? Just check and save it. So like that you can create manually. Okay, that we have created so many times. Now let me check and let me save it. So this is purchase order number, whatever PO we have created, this is a purchase order number for that. So let me save it on notepad. Now this is the first way to create a PO. Second way is create a PO with respect to purchase requisition. Like we just created a purchase requisition, and in that we are creating a PO with respect to purchase requisition. In that itself there are two ways. First is via document overview. One is document overview, right? And another one is a item overview with the help of item overview, right? So we'll see one by one. First we will see why document overview. So how we are going to do that? First we are going to create a purchase requisition. So I'm not going to create any purchase requisition. What I'm doing, I am using my existing purchase requisition, and I will just open the list of purchase requisition by just using T code ME5A. So in ME5 itself, I will just see my list of purchase requisition. So this is all list of my purchase requisition. So let me take any of these purchase requisition number. Okay, let me take like 1 6 times 0 24. Here number is okay. What you do, you just create a fresh PR, purchase requisition, and then just copy this PR number. Right now we are going to create a PO with respect to PR. So for that, what I will do, we will see that first option, why document overview on. So how we are going to do that? Simply just use T code /n ME21N, that same T code, and just go to document overview on, and here just go to selection variant, and here just see my purchase requisition. So you can see purchase requisition is here. Just click on this, and from here I can see my purchase requisition by just giving my purchase org. So I will just mention my purchase org here, then I will able to see all my purchase requisition. Okay, and I will just remove this from here, and I will just mention only my plant and purchase organization and just execute. So I can see list of all my purchase requisition. So like I just want to create a purchase order with respect to this purchase requisition. These two are my purchase requisition that I have created earlier. I just want to create a PO with respect to this purchase requisition. So what I will do, I will just select this and I will just click on this adopt. So just click on adopt, and now you can see, once we will just click on adopt, everything is just copied from that purchase requisition. But yeah, so all these details is just copied from purchase requisition, right? Let me check and save it. Okay, and if like this is not copied, then you just give them manually, like in from purchase requisition some data will be copied, like material number, quantity, price, plant, everything will be copied, but supplier and this org data we have to mention manually. So just mention that, just give that, check and save it, right? So this is our PO number. So here we just need to go to this document overview. Okay, just go to this option, then just go to selection variant, and then you can see the purchase requisition from here, like list of your purchase requisition. Just select this and click on adopt, right? And just create and save. So with the help of document overview, what you need to go to like document overview on, then just click on selection variant icon and see list of my purchase requisition, PR. Okay, after that just select purchase requisition and adopt. As mentioned below in highlighted color. Right, like that we can create. Now second, we are going to see by item overview. How we are going to do that by item overview? Simple, let me show you. So same T code we will use, ME21N, same T code. So this PO we have created, just created. Let me copy this and let me paste it notepad. Okay. Now I will just use same T code, ME21N, and I will just off this document overview. And here in item overview, this is item overview. Here once you just go here, you can see purchase requisition field is there. Just see, purchase requisition field is there, and here we can just copy our purchase requisition number and we can simply create a PO with respect to this purchase requisition by just mentioning our purchase requisition here, hit enter. Now we just mention, but we just need to mention these details like purchase or purchase group, company code, like org data and supplier. That's it, right? And price, that we need to mention. Okay, let me mention it in notes also. First we will just mention this purchase requisition number and we will just click on check. Okay, PR number in purchase requisition field. Purchase requisition field, mention PR number in purchase requisition field and click on check. Check icon as mentioned below. Right, now what we will do? Now what we will do? Simply we will just mention all these details like purchase org, like this is my purchase org, my supplier number. So let me take any of my supplier number, purchase group and company code and just check. So it's showing like when representation also introduce item number. Yeah, so then now we have to mention our purchase requisition number here again. Here it is and check. Okay, this is not exist, this purchase requisition number is not exist. Let me take some of my purchase requisition. Let me take this one. let me follow the same procedure for this PR, purchase requisition number. Right? So this is my purchase requisition number. Let me use that. So what I will do, I will just open again ME21N, close it, go to item overview, just see this field here, purchase requisition field, just mention your purchase requisition number, hit enter. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, now it's fine. Whatever details is required, we will mention. Now check and save. So standard PO is created. So we have seen how we can create a PO with respect to purchase requisition by two methods. One is like via that document overview on area, and another is by just item overview and giving this purchase requisition here in purchase requisition field. So that we have explained, we have discussed. Now we will see third option to create a PO. Create PO with respect to RFQ, with respect to request for quotation. Now we will see this third option. Like manually we have seen purchase requisition, with respect to purchase requisition also we have seen. Now we will see create PO with respect to RFQ. Like two ways are still there, like via item overview and via document overview. Right, so here also two ways are there. So first is like create PO with respect to RFQ, with respect to request for quotation, via document overview. That also we will see. Right. So we will use that same T code ME21N, same T code ME21N, and in that ME21N I will just go to that document overview on area, and here I will just go to this selection variant, and here I will just go to request for quotation tab. Just go to request for quotation, and from here I can see my RFQs. So what I will just remove these fields, otherwise it will only show this particular result. I just want to see for my complete plant and for this purchase organization. So these all are my purchase requisition, and if I want to create a RF like purchase order with respect to RFQ, let's suppose I'm just using this through document overview. So how I'm going to create, I will just click on this RFQ number and I will just click on this adopt. Okay, now you can see every detail, each and every detail is just copied from that RFQ, request for quotation. I need not to mention. Okay, net price, yeah, only price I have to mention here. Everything is just copied from RFQ. So let's suppose 100 USD, hit enter. Now I can create a PO. Okay, just check, each and every detail is just copied from RFQ. Just check and save it. Now you can see PO is created with respect to RFQ via document overview on. So that we have created, right? So this PO we have created. Again, let me tell, just go to selection variant, just check your list of your RFQ and just select and adopt. Once you will select and adopt, then you just need to check, right? And then just save it and you can create a PO like that. You can create as simple as that. So just go to selection variant in document overview on and just select any of RFQ and click on adopt, and each and every details will just come, and just click on check, right, and save it. Like that you can easily create a purchase order with respect to RFQ via document overview on. Okay. Now, second option is we are going to create a PO with respect to RFQ, but why item overview? Why item overview? How we are going to do that? Simply we will use T code ME21N, but for that we just required some RFQ number. So let me take any of these RFQ number. Let me take this one. This is RFQ number. Okay. So through item overview I will do as I just did for purchase requisition, same like that. So ME21N, just close this document overview, go to item overview, and here you can see RFQ field is available. Here you can see request for quotation. Here it is, sorry. So RFQ field is there. Just mention your RFQ number here, okay, and hit enter. Each and every detail is just copied from that RFQ, right? Only price we need to mention here. In request for quotation field, check and save it. Just mention your net price here. Hit enter, check and save it. So it's created, right? Now Fourth way is create PO with respect to another PO. Okay, if we just want to create a PO with respect to another PO, how we can do that? So here also two ways are available, like why document overview and why item overview. Both are available, both options are available, same as we have done for that like earlier options. So first is this create PO with respect to PO by document overview. So how we are going to create? Go to ME21 and go to here, go to document overview on, and just go to purchase order. Just click on my purchase order. Just don't go with the purchase order, otherwise you will see all purchase order created in that system, but I am interested in my purchase order. So just click on my purchase order and you can see all these purchase order. These all are my purchase order. What I will do, any purchase order I will select and I will just adopt from here, same as I have done for PR and RFQ. Right. So just go to document overview on, go to selection variant, select any of these PO as mentioned here and just adopt. Right. So just click and adopt. I need not to mention anything here. Just check and save. That's it. Just check and save. Just check and save. Right. Right. Check and save. Right. So list of my PO. Okay. Now final way to create a PO is, now let me save it. Last and final way I will create, like first I will close this document overview and I will just go to this item overview and just go to this purchasing document field. Here you can see, here you can see purchasing document. So here we will just mention our purchase order number. Here we will just mention our purchase order number. So let me copy that from notepad. Last option, create PO with respect to PO by item overview. So here mention purchase order number, PO number in purchasing document field. And click on check icon as mentioned below, right? So here we will just mention our PO number. So I just copy from notepad any PO number. Let me take this PO number, copy and just paste it here and hit enter. Each and every detail is just copied from that purchase order. Just check and save it. Simply save it. So we just create it like that, right? Let me show you again. What you need to do, just go to purchasing document field. Here it is, purchasing document. Here it is, purchasing document. Just mention your purchasing document number, like PO number. PO number is a purchasing document number. So just mention it and just click on check and then save it. Just as simple as that. So just mention it here and click on check. Check and save. Check and save. Right? So just check and save it. That's it. Now we have discussed all ways to create a PO, how we can create with the help of document overview, manually, item overview. We have discussed with respect to PR, with respect to RFQ, with respect to another purchase order. We have discussed all. But right now we will see how we can see the list of our PO. Right? How we can see the list of our PO. So T code to see the list of PO, these are the T codes. To see the list of POs. Or purchasing document. List of PO, following T codes we just use. Right? So if we want to see list of PO as per PO number, so we will just use T code ME2N. So let me see the list of PO as per PO number, ME2N. So here what I need to mention, these fields I need to mention, like purchase or purchasing document number, that means PO number. So if I want to see from this to this, like that, I want to see like whatever PO I created, I want to see as per PO number, because the first PO I just created this one. So I just want to see from here to like 84, last PO I just created today. So I will just give these PO numbers here, and I will just execute all these PO, list of all these PO from this PO number to this PO number will be there, the list will be opened, right? If I want to see for my plant all POs, then I will remove all these fields, then I can see list of all PO that I just created until now for my plant KL01, like that we can see. So just execute, like you can see all PO I have created today. These are all PO, everything is mentioned here, material, that material number, plant, currency, price, everything, each and every detail is there. PO number, supplier number, right? So this is T code ME2L to see list of PO as per PO number. So here we need to mention these fields like this, whatever field, like if we want to see as per item category, we can see. If we just want to see as per delivery date, we can mention a delivery date here. So we just want to segregate the data as per this field, we can also do that, right? And just execute. Like that we can see the list. Like I want to see for from this PO number to this PO number. Just execute and let me save in notes. So like that you can create, right? Now I just want to see PO as per vendor. I want to see like for particular vendor or supplier how many POs we have created. So we will just use T code ME2L. So as per supplier we can do that. Like if we want to see for this supplier how many POs are there, so we will just mention these date, these fields. And if we just want to segregate data as per delivery date or as per document type, we can segregate as per purchasing group, document date, on which date. Okay, so we can segregate that data. Then we can then we will able to see as per supplier also, right? Now we can see the list. Just execute, we can see the list. Now ME2M is to see the PO as per material, list of PO as per material. So simply ME2M we will use, hit enter, and here we will just mention plant and purchase, or all these fields we will mention. And for some particular plant I just want to see like for MED01, or we want to see for multiple selection, then also we can do. Like for multiple material I want to see like MED01, MED02, I can just mention it here and execute from here, that's it. Okay, okay, so from here we can just mention these fields and we just execute it here. And likewise we can see the list as per like purchasing document list as per material, as per vendor, or as per PO number, we can see like that, right? So just execute. So this is all PO number, every each and every detail is there, like PO number, document type, supplier, everything is there, each and every detail is there, right? So like that we can do. Okay. So this is what we have discussed in today's session, like how the ways to create a PO, and after that how we can see all purchasing documents that we have seen in today's session, right?